calibrate my speedo. I can't see how fast I'm going because it's so far out. I think 95 is about 80 with these wheels, so hopefully with the wind noise you can hear me, but I feel like this bike is a really good road bike with the kind of modifications I've done to it. So talking about the SuperMoto wheels and road tires, the MSC Moto steering stabilizer, and the gearing I've got. So right now I'm running 15 on the front and 48 on the rear with the Sumo wheels. and the tougher, the stronger springs in the front and rear shocks as well. It feels very, very stable, and you know, you can cruise along at 100k an hour, 110k an hour without, you know, there's very little vibration that I'm feeling right now. And I have the FMF pipe, the Power Core 4 pipe, but with the silencer in, and the volume is totally fine. Even with this helmet on, I have the Bell MX-9 helmet on, and it's much louder than I have a Shoei GT Air, which I bought a long time ago, and that is much quieter inside when you've got it on. But yeah, this is fine. So today I thought I would just go out for a ride out south, or like southeast. I think it's about an hour each way, and as soon as we get off this boring motorway we'll be able to head towards the coast, and there's a nice coast road that runs along the water edge. Go and stop for some coffee at a cafe and have a bit of a chat, show you guys around the bike again. I've changed a few things up, so yeah. Anyway, I'll check back in with you after we're off this motorway. Slippery, slippery. Well, that's not what you want. Not with SuperMoto wheels. Oh man, they're the worst tires for this stuff. Running Michelin Power Sport, no, Michelin Power 5s. Sure, pretty awesome on the road, but not great for this. I'm never sure how long I should make these videos, whether you guys just like watching. I know when obviously this channel's pretty new, but when you know, I've been watching this kind of stuff for a long time, and I do enjoy just watching people ride along. I don't know why, well, the talking probably kind of ruins it. But do you guys like this kind of longer format video with a lot of riding in between? Or would you rather me just kind of cut it and you know, cut to the points where I'm discussing stuff? It's been pretty refreshing starting a new channel, to be honest. My other channel is, I think I'm almost at about 30,000 subscribers, which is really awesome. I do love it. It's all just around photography, a little bit of car stuff and bike stuff on there, but not a whole lot. I started this channel because I know a lot of people don't, and you know, a lot of people that subscribe to that channel aren't really following this kind of stuff. and I just thought it would be better just to split it up. But if you want to check out that channel, it's just Chris Turner Photographer. I'll put a link in the description. And there's something refreshing about the fact that no one's watching these videos compared to my other channel. Don't know if I've ever been on this road. I know this area. I videoed in that house, one of those houses. I think that black one. I've done some video in there for a commercial client. I get some gas. Now I know where I am. Maybe we'll have a look in this park. I've never been down here either. Vehicle access to campground only, so I guess you can camp. Book your stay. Oh, that's cool. There's no one here either on Easter weekend. I have to come back here and camp. Oh man, these tires are slippery on the gravel. Beautiful. This is Maraetai. I might loop back and stop for a coffee. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, time for a coffee. Alright. Switch to my dirt bike gloves. They still have knuckles in them, but I'm just really not used to tougher leather gloves. I think I need to get some looser material like all weather ones. Right, let's get out of here. Cop behind me. Man, such a nice area out here. That's I think it's called Duder National Park, D-U-D-E-R. But I don't think there's any roads that you can go up on the top of the hills. We'll have a look. It's cool, Madai. Must be a campground. I don't know what this is. private property. Cops hate this motorbike. This really is why I like getting up early. I mean, I can't really help it, I'm always up. Whether I have an alarm clock or kids wake me up or whatever, I'm always up at like 6 AM. I just wake up and can't get back to sleep. But it's kind of a blessing, you know, like it's only like 9:22 and I've already been riding my bike for like 2 hours. Come way out here, other side of Auckland, had an explore around, had a coffee. I'll be back home before 10 to hang out with the family and do other stuff. Back to the city. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm just about to jump back on the motorway and it is not fun to watch. So I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, let me know what you want to see next, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, see you in the next one.